Dear Zoe, it was the second week of June when we took you and your brother berry picking. Ever since you started solids, you have always enjoyed blueberries by the bunches. At this point in the season, the raspberries were ripe for picking. However, the blueberries were about a week or two away. I think you could tell the difference in ripeness, so on this day, you favored the raspberries. Both bushes were low to the ground, and so the raspberries and blueberries were easily accessible to your tiny fingers. It wasn't so long ago that you were a blueberry in Mommy's tummy. Today, you're about the size of a giant watermelon, but you'll always be my little blueberry.
Daddy, want jam?
Good morning. You want some jam? Want some jam?
If there's a burden that you carry, I'm
What's
gonna
the
carry
sugar?
it with you. So you can lay your troubles down inside my
Crystal
heart.
berry.
This love made a sanctuary for you 1,000,000 years ago, and I can't wait till love creates all of your fingers and your toes the size of a blueberry. The blueberry I love. Oh, oh, oh. Can't wait to hear your little heartbeat. Can't wait to laugh until we cry.
What do we eat with them?
Rainbow color in my black and white. Here you are at the perfect time. Oh, I've been waiting on you all my life, and now you're about the size of a blueberry, and I already love you. Oh, I can't wait till I can hold you in my arms. And when you grow up and get married, I hope I'm standing there with you. And you will know that I will never be too far. This love made a sanctuary for you deep inside my soul. And love will bring us back together. Doesn't matter where you go, you're my little blueberry. Blueberry I love.
Jam is ready.
Why don't you like the jam?
Huh?
You don't like the jam?
No.
Why?
Cause it's too sticky. To jam every single day. So yummy.
You will always be my blueberry.